In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AnyDesk on YouTube in a simple, beginner-friendly way. If you've ever needed to connect to another computer remotely, help someone with tech support, or access your own device from a different location, AnyDesk is one of the easiest tools to use. It's fast, it's popular, and once you understand the basics, the whole process takes just a few seconds. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open AnyDesk on the computer you want to connect to. Once the app is open, look for the section that says Your Address. This is where you will see a unique 9-digit number. Think of this number like a phone number for that computer. It's the ID you'll use to connect from another device. Now, on the computer you are using to make the connection, open AnyDesk there as well. At the top of the window, you'll see a bar that says Enter Remote Address. This is where you type the 9-digit AnyDesk ID of the remote computer. Carefully enter the full number, making sure there are no mistakes, and then press Enter. After you do that, the remote computer will receive a connection request. This is an important security step because AnyDesk will always ask the other user for permission before letting you in. On the remote computer, the person there needs to click Accept to grant access. Once they accept, the connection will be established and you'll be able to see and control the remote screen, depending on the permissions allowed. If you're using AnyDesk for support, this is the point where you can start helping with tasks like opening files, moving the mouse, checking settings, or guiding someone through a fix. If you're connecting to your own device, this is how you can access it from another location without being physically there. A quick tip here, always double check the 9-digit ID before pressing Enter. Since you're connecting to a specific device, one wrong number can send a request to the wrong place or fail completely. Also, make sure the person on the other end knows to look out for the request so they can click Accept as soon as it appears. And that's the basic process for using AnyDesk. First, find the address on the remote computer, then enter that 9-digit ID into the remote address bar on your computer. Finally, accept the request on the other device to start the session. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.